If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Cherokee High Altitude in Velvet Red Pearl. With adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 38,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start system, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 10960A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.